What's up, YouTube friends? Mr. Gizmo here. I see some people struggling taking the windshield wipers off in case you want to replace them for whatever reason or access the cowl. So it's actually really simple. You pry off this little black part. There's a 15mm nut in here. You undo that. And the next step is where people struggle. So they start prying on it and it doesn't come out. So you actually need to release the tension on it. And the way that you release the tension is you need to close the hood partially, and you might want to get a helper for that part, and you just pop this thing up, and then that releases the tension on this bushing, and you can just slide it straight up basically all together like that. It's a metal sleeve bushing. I know people pry on it and yank on it, but it's as simple as that. All right.